A, B, C, Creative Studio. Making an under-the-sea glitter ball design. Get a used empty bottle to make your artwork design. Then you can paste the stone and the shell on the top of the cap. You can use your own imagination to make your design more creative. Put a flower to make more realistic to our theme under the sea. Paste a sand around the cap. Add more design to complete our theme. Put a water inside the bottle and put some glitters. Now let's put our design cap inside the bottle. Now, you have your own glitter ball that you can shake and put on your table. You will enjoy watching it. It looks amazing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.